Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya hlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa the proceedings today at High Court, Pretoria, APTA. No, Ratha, I just feel like he woke up nje cabangani Mngomezulu. I think he's always thinking about him. There's a point where Ratha said something like he wanted to say Mngomezulu again. I was like, he's a friend. So again, she was busy telling him, I know, we're sorry. Then when can you come again? So Gininda is coming tomorrow. Mngomezulu is coming tomorrow. On Monday, Gininda is not coming. On Monday and Tuesday, he's coming back out again on Wednesday. I'm just like, why are you begging this guy? This guy is supposed to be here in Nalamangaki. In fact. And just as much as they had said, the lineup will start from Ramosipi lying just as much as Ratha was busy saying, I know, like, you're gonna drag him to court. Even if he's sick, no, he must just come, you know. You know him, how he goes on. He's starting now a story so why is Mngomezulu saying, and I just find that that was just too clever. He was just clevering this guy. He was gossiping. What was that all about? Mngomezulu must just tell me the name of the witness. You know, I saw in the comments, one of the comments, a person said, we don't even trust you in a rat. I was just like, wow, guys. Busy, Mngomezulu you know, it happened. You know, it started to tell us some story, but it's actually a true story, guys. So he was telling it that story gave us another analogy. You know, some guy while in South Africa, he did the same thing. You were supposed to put satellites and then Baba Nomona. Like a long story, guys. I was just like, wow. And then now you kept on saying, this guy kept on saying, I know you witness, I'm not going to tell the name. Uti, you know that he must tell me that name. Alright, that he must tell me Mngomezulu. I'm like, he doesn't have to, guys. Why didn't you tell him on the day? And why don't you call him on your chambers and tell him that instead of telling us? Why are you telling us even though it's something that you thought you just woke up and you're like, oh Mngomezulu, I need him. He needs to tell me why I'm witness. But you must tell him, Mom. What are you telling us? And then when they told us, you know, Nxumalo was like, Advocate Thulani Mngomezulu was like, I know, my lord, he does actually watch a case, he knows what's going on. And then that's how I was like, no, it's fine, because even my registrar did email him. No, Namgim email the transcripts of what has been happening since he hasn't been here, you know. No, he has been following the proceedings on YouTube. YouTube. I was just like, whatever. And then someone was like, witnesses. But I guess, guys, Ubaloyi has told us, I get to SAPS in any case. State Abantu Baloyi, guys. We all know them. Like, what are we gonna do? For instance, Baloyi will never bring Dr. Modise that actually passed on the one that passed on Dr. Mpanzane is the one with his septic wound, as Mngomezulu put it. The wound was septic, was and then transferred Modise. So, and I think has tried to get to Mpanzane and Modise. There was a story he's actually gone. He was the first person to see Ulongo, and then he transferred him to Modise. Guys, and then you must tell him, Mngomezulu. Why don't you tell him? Bruh, you are sort of like his boss in some type of way, like, you understand? Why don't you tell him? Because was like, you know what? I'll do it. And at some stage, abona omnisi no Ramosipule, they came off ngathi abantu abafuna ukufaka Mngomezulu under the bus. And then I was like, no, actually, then that's not what they're doing. But I guess maybe just as much as I've always said, he doesn't really like Mngomezulu, he doesn't even care about his health and all of that. Maybe he does care, guys. Chances are because at the same time, it's not even about caring. It's more like, guys, find us some savings in at the end of the day. And I've always said, accused number one, umalume is paying. So we cannot have Mngomezulu for so many days. It's been too long, you know. He must actually come back now. Although I'm worried, like I said, Uguti, is he going to start the cross-examination? Well, this guy lo. Go I'm gonna get in the bin. I'm funa lebele kekeleza but he doesn't do that in any case Mngomezulu. But I would like him to start, but we don't know ngoba he's been sick. Yeah, just as I was thinking, Umnisigina is gonna put Mngomezulu under the bus. Can't you know he wanted to set the record straight to no mina bengimbambele until last week Friday, but this week really we didn't really have a communication ethini, but he did report to Guti he's still not feeling well. Remember, I even said yesterday, Guti, hey, in one of my shots, Guti, hey, agana strategy lo. Kodwa uzovumbuka something. I'm telling you, Mngomezulu guys ngamazo come ngebomb kuthi boo e-court, and then you be like, what happened? And then Ratha was like, he does have actually that story came with Ubalu. Ubalu was like, he does have a candidate attorney. Candidate attorney must tell us what's going on with him in his absence. He must. I was just like, honestly, that's not even necessary, bro. As long as you tell umnisi or utshela uSandile Msholo, that's enough for us. Thina ama-fan njengami njengoba ngiyifan kaMngomezulu. And then Ratha was like, I know, read out the stuff with Mngomezulu and on what's going on, yonke leyo nto leyo. Angifuni kube khona umgunyathi. Umgunyathi azobaba lo. Usewaba involved kakhulu ey'ntweni engekho right. Busy telling us those words inside court. Who even says those things inside court and using names like that? So Unqumaloke basically what is he gonna do is going to send the information to Mngomezulu, all the correspondence, everything that has been happening since. So this Mngomezulu kusasa ezofika clued up. And lo baba, I'm telling you, ubusy uphezu something nje besendlini. And chances are njengoba sebhizi besithi, oh my gosh, is he gonna be sick again tomorrow? Nkosami uzobe njani ecourt? Uzobe fra? No, actually uzovela afike engenye indlela. You won't believe it. Let's just be positive, guys. Stay positive. Sibone kusasa Mngomezulu ukuthi usifikela nani. Bese kuzoba ilo uDumelo Madlalo i-fake friend. Le kaSenzo Meyiwa manje sivele brainwasha engasakhumbuli nini uSifiso Meyiwa wathi bayithakathile. I'm just like, I'm done, bro. Like, why would you say that? Nomngomezulu ngithi bese khona lezo itori zokuthi umphephethile lo ugininda. Just like, wow guys, can we just be serious ngesikhathi? But guys, ngiyibeka lapho. Enye into guys, ngithanda over phela. Anihambeni niyotshela uYouTube ukuthi akangikhokhele. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuba na 2,700 subbies and I'm doing so well, and then you guys ningangikhulumeli lapha ku-X. Khona umunye wavela uthumela ku-X. Yeah guys, so ningikhulumeleni ku-YouTube. Thank you so much guys. Ngithanda over. Guys, angikwazi ungasho, ngicela uMngomezulu please afike so that he can trash Gininda. Please, I need it. Thank you so much guys.